So now we're cutting out the templates for the rails, and I've just drawn on here the template for the measurements we need between the rails themselves. I'm just going to use the jigsaw and follow the penciled line that I put on here earlier on. Right, so as you can see, we've got the templates up on the posts, clamped in, one at the top, one at the bottom. Top rails on, hanging steady. So literally now all you have to do is just step it. So this is 16 foot, and then the next one we'll do is an 8 foot from here to there, and then just continue down. So yeah, let's do it. So this is how you do it on your own. So I've got a piece here, measured 93 and 3/4 inches, or is it 94 and 3/4? Let's double check. Again, you can use the templates to measure the distance. That's 93. Distance between the last plank and the template is 1 3/4, so that's 94 and 3/4. So just mark it up, get a square, set square and square edge, and take the end off. That's dead in the middle. That's dead on. Get the drill, hold it in place. Make sure you pull the drill out to get rid of all the old wood that you're drilling out the hole. Makes all the difference when you come to put the bolts in. I cheat with an impact driver. Lag bolts. That's it, one end in. And sometimes you get long runs, 16 feet, because the landscape will allow it. Here you've got a gradual slope, so it's kind of forcing me to do 8-foot lengths, or nearly 8-foot lengths. But just go with the flow. The key here is that obviously there'll be horses that side of the fence, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper to repair a broken fence than it is to repair a broken horse. So this is actually designed to fail. Obviously you've got a horse heading straight at it, something's got to give. So these are designed to fail if they do charge it, and in the past that's happened in the other pasture. And it failed successfully, for which I was thankful. And there we go, that's this run completed. I've got 4 more sides that will probably take me about a week to complete. But this is one we wanted to get done first. Hasn't turned out too badly. Just had to go with the flow of the landscape, I guess. But yeah, should be good. I'll keep you all updated on how the rest of the fence goes, but at least from this we can take the corral panels and just create small pastures around here, and just move the panels along to make sure that the horses don't eat out all the grass. Hopefully you found the diagram and the dimensions for the templates useful, and if you did, and you try it out and it works just like this, because I'm pretty much guarantee it will, please like and subscribe. It does absolutely make a difference to the channel and how much I can do in the future. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.